So welcome back to Forex Pros. Today we will be discussing the market of gold and see what kind of trading opportunities can we find. As you can see on the screen right now, we gave away a signal tomorrow and it's now running in 200 plus pips, and this is why, because Forex Pros is famous. And again we will be discussing the market of gold, and the reason being that is I made a video at the start of the week and now I'm updating that video because we might see a very good swing trade in the upcoming time, and this is the opportunity where you guys double your account, triple your accounts and make a lot of money. So without a further wait, let's get to the video. And starting from the monthly time frame, again we will be doing the same dance, same discussion that we've been doing over and over again, because it's a monthly time frame. It needs time to take into effect. It will take a month, it will take years, but still again we will keep discussing that, so that you guys have a strong memory of what the market is doing and strong understanding. And as soon as you comprehend the concept, you will see that trading is nothing more than only the psychology of a human being. So on the monthly time frame, let me open a chart which is clean, because on this I have drawn a lot of things and I don't want to delete it. So let's use the ice chart. And yes, from the monthly time frame, we've been discussing that after 3 years the market was finally able to break above the structure resistance, which is now the acting support. And from this current monthly candle, we cannot assume that it's a retracement because there are still 8 days before the market closes, but we can assume that the market might retrace based on the current candle. So from, if we take the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, what we can see is that the market might retrace to the 0.382 level, because whenever after impulse the market makes a correction, it's minimal to 0.382 level, and the 0.382 level at this current scenario is at 2415, which means that we're talking about 3000 pips below the current point. So either we'll get the chance or not, we will see that shortly. So moving down on the weekly time frame, there is something we should discuss, that this was the previous structure resistance which is broken, and which we can see that perfectly aligns with the 0.382 level of the monthly Fibonacci level. So on the weekly time frame, there is a possibility that the market might go all the way towards the upside, but for now we cannot say that it's safe to buy the weekly on the weekly time frame. The reason being that is, if you take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom on this impulse, what we can see is that the market is currently below the golden ratio level, which is the 0.618 level. Why it is the golden ratio level? Whenever the market makes an impulse and the golden ratio level has been crossed, it means that the market has now changed its direction. But for now it's below that, so we cannot say that the market is either going up, because all the indications are towards the sell. So on the weekly time frame, we have somewhat confirmation that the market is still bearish. So as soon as the market crosses the 0.618 level, I'll tell you what to do. Moving down on the daily time frame, now this is where the things get interesting, and this is where you will be getting the trade which you have been waiting for. But before that, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description, because we provide free signals there. And if you don't want to miss this current trade, which I'll be explaining it to you, do join our Telegram channel and like and subscribe to our channel, and tell us in the comment section which topic or pair would you like us to cover in the next video. So on the daily time frame, what we can see is that market is approaching the current daily resistance, which was previously the support. Now it's the acting resistance. And what we can see is that there are two possibilities. We will be observing the market at this particular area, and we have already proved that we might expect a retracement to at least 2415. We're talking about 3000 pips, which means if you're using a standard lot, you're making $30,000, and that's easy $30,000 with a very small stop loss. Of course, we will be providing that in our Telegram channel, but again, there is a possibility that the market might cross this. And if the market crosses this, as soon as the market retests this area, we will be observing the market at this particular area, and we will provide the bullish trade after our confirmations. And we will not be acting on the basis of prediction. We will try to be reactive in the market. And the reason being that is, the market is basically being controlled by buyers and sellers. So we don't know who will push more before they do. So we have 2 points basically. One is that if the market goes above it, then of course we'll be updating it, but for now we'll be observing the market on the daily time frame at this particular area to see if the markets gets a rejection, and as soon as the market gets the rejection, we will be going for a bearish trade, and I told you it's easy $30,000. So don't miss it. Do join our Telegram channel, and that's all for today. Thank you.